The Young and the Restless spoilers. Baby Aria is deaf. Mariah and Tessa reel, overhearing test results. The Young and the Restless spoilers reveal that Mariah Copeland and Tessa Porter will take Aria Porter Copeland to the park, where a thunderstorm will unexpectedly roll in. It looks like Aria will be sleeping in her baby carrier or stroller when a major thunderclap catches Tessa and Mariah off guard. It'll be so loud that Mariah and Tessa are surprised to find that Aria didn't wake up from the noise. Of course, some babies are just deep sleepers, so Tessa and Mariah will brush it off initially. It won't be until later that the moms really start to worry something's up. There'll be another big boom of thunder right as Mariah and Tessa enter crimson lights, but Aria will once again sleep through it. At that point, Tessa and Mariah will begin